Yes.
So go ahead, Ashutosh. And
Yes,
before one particular thing, okay, thanks a lot, all of you, for thanking me personally in that particular. But I'm just doing my duty. That TBI is meant for finding people like you, and you are the one whom I should be thankful, or our university should be thankful, because I know people like you, Manas, Avijit, Akhil are going to be the big name of tomorrow, and we are blessed to be associated with you guys in one way or the other. So all kudos to you guys. Please continue.
Yes. As I was talking about the tool NetBird Media has created, so it is a tool where you can visit the tool. It's netbirdmedia.com/products. So there you go. You enter your website and all the details, and just create a schema markup. And if you go to the website, you'll get everything that you can know about the product. And secondly, we are working on a project that I believe we can't discuss over here. Vishal sir won't admit to do so. So that's a product that would be coming soon into the market, and also for the graphic era students and the students that have left this college, for them also. So we'll be soon getting to it. And yes.
Tell something about your team as well, Ashu, because that is very much important. All the people who are here, okay, should understand the importance of team while you are starting your startup and that particular thing.
So if you talk about the team, so it's like means you're nothing without your team. I believe if I say I am the founder of this company, so I would say those 5 people are the real people who are working for the startup, and I am nothing without them. So if we talk about the team, so for the bread and butter, we are a creative agency. So I would mention Shubham Mehra, who is a designer, and of course sir have met all the team. So Shubham Mehra is a designer. He works on the UI UX and all those things, and I would say he's very good at it. Secondly, we have a developer, Rohit Pandey. So he's a full stack developer. Yes. So means not talking about everyone.
Yes, I understand that. That is not possible. Yes. I just wanted to have the emphasis on that particular thing to understand.
Yes.
Because guys, what makes a startup, okay, as the word company is not a single person thing. Okay, although we always have a face who become like the same is the case with Man, the same is the case with Avijit, whomever you have talked. Okay, they are the face, but there's a huge effort which come from the team, and that is what this thing is all about. Okay, so thanks a lot, Ashutosh. Okay, I'm very glad. When you are completing your degree, I think you are still a student, right?
Yes, so I'm finally, it's 3rd year, I'm in BCA. So I would also like tell that it's many a times like you do the startup and it's कि इसको job नहीं मिला तो फिर ये startup कर रहा है. So I am placed in 2 companies right now. So it's not like कि job नहीं मिला तो घुस गया इधर. So it's not like that. So, and the companies are Deloitte and Wipro, of course. So not like.
Congrats. So it is like, you are taking the startup journey by choice and not by compulsion. That, but like,
yes.
Very nice, very nice. Okay, so with that particular thing, I am moving forward. Thanks a lot, Ashutosh. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Shaurya, are you here? So our next speaker is Shaurya.
Yes, sir. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, Shaurya, we can hear you. We can't see you, but we can hear you. Now we can see you. Okay. So Nagaraj sir, I would like to introduce the second guy, Shaurya Pratap. Again, one of our pass out.
Shaurya, yeah.
Hi, sir. Good evening.
Shaurya, please continue without any further ado.
All the best, Shaurya. Okay.
Continue. Okay. First of all, a very good evening to all of you. And I would like to thank Vishal sir and TBI for organizing this beautiful event. So my name is Shaurya Pratap Singh. I'm the founder of GrabNet Foods Private Limited. So first of all, let me tell you about my startup. In GrabNet Foods, what we are trying to do is we are trying to build an ecosystem of online food brands. So recently we launched one of our food brand named Snacksy. Snacksy is a fast food brand that deals exclusively in grilled sandwiches and menu around them. Currently, Snacksy is only in online mode, so you can go and order from our website, Swiggy and Zomato. And we are also planning to launch Snacksy in offline mode as well. So in GrabNet Foods, Snacksy is just one of the brands. In coming 2 or 3 months, we will be launching 2 or 3 more brands. So it will be like an ecosystem of cloud kitchens in GrabNet Foods. And let me tell you about my product first. In Snacksy, as I told you, we are exclusively dealing in grilled sandwiches, and those sandwiches, we can say those are not just grilled sandwiches; they are engineered sandwiches. So we have engineered all of the sandwiches from the ground. So we designed the bread, we developed the layering technique, we developed the recipes, we developed the sauces for this. So we have that special kind of bread that it doesn't get soggy even after 40 minutes when a customer gets it. So this is one of our main USP. And apart from that, in Snacksy, we are also introducing few more items as customer demand. We are introducing wraps, especially, and we are also developing the tortillas, in-house tortillas for that wraps also. So without using any oil and any other preservative, we will be making those. And that's it from my side. And Vishal sir, if you have any questions for me.
No, sir, I just wanted to say that, he reminds me of my IIT days, because there's a very big name called Box 8, which is from IIT Bombay. Okay. And I remember exactly like, during this New Year Eve or 25th, I think you have put up the stall, isn't it? Sorry.
Yes, sir.
So the same way the Box 8 has started, okay, from the campus during the technical fest, Tech Fest, which is called, and now they have become a big brand. Okay, Boxset, if many of you guys who have been to the metros, it is actually a very well-known name. So I call Strata, sorry, as this product as the Indian Subway. Okay, and he is already available on, I think, both of the platform, right? Swiggy
Yes,
and Zomato. So guys, although if it would be a physical meeting,
yeah, shortly they will have in campus, within our campus also, we have given them space.
That's great, sir. That's great.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Yeah.
This kind of encouragement matters a lot. Okay. And sorry, best wishes to you. Okay.
Yeah.
One particular thing I would like to mention to everyone, because most of the people think how to come up with an idea. So Shaurya, I know him for quite a long time, and I know how many times he has switched the idea before he come to this one. Okay. So sorry, just a small bit about identifying and zeroing on an idea, because which can help the other startup to understand that how the one idea, the $1 million idea, come and stick to your mind, because you have tried many things, isn't it?
Yes,
please shortly, if you can share that.
The first stage for sorting an idea, I think, is trying to find problems around you. I think that's the first stage, finding an idea. You can find a problem in your regular work or in your office, whatever you think that you can add. I can say you can add productivity. Your idea, if your idea can add productivity to people's life, then you should not just go, first of all, do market research on that idea. I tried 2 or 3 ideas before going with Snacksy, and I found a good problem in people's life. I thought that this is the idea I should go with. Then after when I had done market research, I found already there are hundreds of companies in that market, and even new competitors are coming in that segment. Let me tell you a story. Before going with Snacksy and GrabNet Food, I was working on IoT devices. So I invested a lot of amount of my time and money on that idea. And then it was around starting of 2020, then Corona happened. Then the Chinese market prices went up. We were focusing on producing economical devices. So one of our main USP vanished there as China's market prices went high. And after that, few of the giant players like Tuya and Dizo, they came in Indian market. So there's no way we are going to disrupt them. They were going to disrupt the Indian market. So that time there was I had to take a decision to go with that idea or not. Then I think I think it was a smart move from my end that I dropped that idea there, because otherwise I have wasted 2 more of years of my life and my money as well. So I found Cloud Kitchen. It's a very booming market. Currently, it's growing at 20% CAGR in India. So it has a huge potential. And in coming 5 years, it will become three more times. It will uh, uh, three times. It will double.
That's what people will do when they are
market
sitting in
value.
the.
Yes, yes.
That's what people will do when they are sitting in the house and ordering food
Yes, yes.
online. Sorry, so good. Why I wanted you to mention this particular thing, sir, and every listener who is in this particular thing, you guys have to understand, a startup is a very flexible world, okay? And you have a concept called pivot. Pivot means when you think that your idea is not going further, there's no point in falling in love with an idea and sticking to it. Okay, fail and fail fast is one particular thing which I have expected in my life, and I convey the same to my students as well, that it is not necessary that, okay, if I have invested some part of my time and energy, and if I'm seeing that it is not happening, there's a good time that you say enough is enough and I should move on. There's nothing wrong in it. There's nothing, stigma has to be there. You have to be a good judge of what you're doing and how you're going forward. So thanks, Saurya. You have been a very good inspiration for many
I
as
would
well
like
as
to
for
add
me.
one more thing.
Yeah, please.
I would like to emphasize to everyone that how important a mentor is for a startup. So when I started Snacksy, the idea was completely different. So it was after thorough screening from mentor and from my side, we are here because of that. So I think if you are starting a startup or ideating about any idea, then first of all, go find a good mentor. Vishal sir is one of those guys who can give you a very good advice, and VC sir as well. So I think go find a good mentor, and after that, screen your idea, do market research, and you are then good to go with it.
All the best, Shaurya. Yeah.
Yeah,
sure.
thanks a lot.
So moving,
Okay.
thanks a lot, Saurya. Moving ahead, again, we have another Saurya, but Saurya Sharma. Okay, again, he is one of the students presently. Hi, Saurya, how are you?
Hi, sir. Good evening. Good evening.
I'm not going to
respected
take
sir.
much time because we are running short of time. So all the way to you. Just introduce yourself and tell what the idea is so that
Okay,
other
sir.
can also invite. Go
Okay.
ahead.
Good evening, respected VC sir, CEO sir of TBI and the guest. My name is Shaurya Sharma. I am third semester computer science engineering student at Graphical University. And I am always interested in startup and want to contribute in Startup India. TBI helped me to contribute in Startup India, and Vishal sir personally helped me to start my own startup. He provided me complete guidance and support. I started my startup on 1st Jan 2022, that is this year itself. And Squad Growth is a platform for students. It is oriented around student growth. Here, student can network with the smart people, learn the skills on the mark from experts, and can say hello to the new opportunities. Also, student can build industry projects and can enjoy mentor curated content, which saves lots of time and energy of a student, and also money. And Squad Growth is aiming to build a community of students. And right now we have 54 students in our Discord server. And Squad Growth works on basically three principles, that is learn, grow, and have fun. Learn from experts, grow as an individual, and have fun in the form of DJ nights and meetup events with other students and industry experts. So would you like to share me the screen?
Yeah,
of the
yeah, sure.
website?
I'm giving you the permission. But keep it short, sorry. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes,
You have the
sir.
permission. Go ahead.
Thank you, sir. So this is the website of Squad Growth. As I said, it was on three principles: learn, grow, and have fun. We have the different squads. And for example, we have blockchain squad, Android development squad, 3D printing squad, and also others are listed as well. And in each squad, we have industry ready projects, and also workshop are listed in these squads. And when I said these are industry ready projects, they are really industry ready projects. And we also organize events, like we have the DJ night, which I just talked about. And also we have Kickstart Android development event, and all about product design event. And these events are led by industry experts. So that's it, what Squad Growth is trying to do. That's
How
it.
you are different, Saurabh, in that particular, because is it like content site? Like, so there are so many, Udemy is there, Unacademy is there. So are you planning to propose it as a content site or something else? Please enlighten us.
It's a curator site, basically.
Is it?
Squad Growth it's a curator site.
Curator site.
Yeah,
Okay.
Squad
What
is
does it mean?
Squad Growth is different from Udemy and Coursera, whatsoever it is, because there the complete projects are or complete courses are listed, and students don't know which one is good and which one to buy, which one to continue with, and which one to not. And if a student goes with the wrong one, then the time, money, energy all goes into just waste. And Squad Growth is different because here student get mentor curated content, the time, energy, and money of the student gets saved, and also the Squad Growth provides mentorship on each project or on each workshop, we can say. And basically, Squad Growth just curate the content what are available in the market. It's different in this way.
Great. That's nice. That's nice, because that is something which is very much required. You have to differentiate yourself from
Yes,
the
sir.
crowd. So for example, there are around 100 people who are there in this particular group. Okay. Most of them are student in that particular case. If you are looking to develop a skill in that particular case, obviously you can go to any of this platform and sign up for the courses.
Yes, sir.
But if they come to your system, what is Squad Growth,
Yes, sir.
so
Squad
they will
Growth.
get a curated content that which one
Curated
is
content.
to do in that particular case.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's nice. Do you giving some extra discount for the student of GU? You should be.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There's a discount of 20%. It will be like a cashback. One student gives
Yes.
pay the complete amount, and then 20% will be cashback to the student's account.
Okay, so you should do something more for the student of Graphicera and Graphicera
Yes, sir.
University. Okay, thanks
Yes,
a
sir.
lot, Shaurya. Best wishes. In
Thank you,
that.
sir.
You are still a student, right? Please
Yes, sir.
introduce
I'm
yourself.
third semester engineering student, computer science.
All the best, Vishal. All the best. Shaurya, all the
Thank you,
best.
sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot, sir. So these are the students who has actually still in the courses, and they come up and they have had the courage.
They have
to
a long way to go. They have a long way to go.
Yes. So that was what actually is very exciting, because they are doing it and understanding it in the way. Moving further, we have
Thank you, sir.
Akil. Akil, are you there?
Yes.
Hi, Akil. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. How you are, sir?
Very nice, very nice. So Akil, all yours. Okay, we are running short of time, so I would like you to introduce yourself and give the detail about your startup. I'm knowing you for quite a long time. Please go ahead.
First of all, good evening, sir. Good evening, Nagaraja, sir, to our professor of Graphicera University, and good evening to all my dear friends. I, Akil Rahman, a student of BTech Biotechnology, 4th year. And right now I have my own startup with my best friend, Mr. Harshvardhan Singh, who is my partner in my company as a founder of the Next. So basically, जो हमारी company है, it's a Nutri Food, जिसका aim है to provide a tasty, healthy, optimal diet on the go. Means we providing the nutrition to all the peoples with the optimum nutrition in their diet. बेसिकली जो हमने अपना स्टार्टअप किया था, ये 2nd ईयर में हमने स्टार्ट किया है, बट उसके बाद जब हमने इस पे अपना सभी प्रोटोकॉल और जितने हमारे डॉक्यूमेंटेशन वो सब हमने कंप्लीट किया, बट उसके बाद लॉकडाउन आ गया तो हमें ये अपना स्टॉप करना पड़ा. बट ऑन द लास्ट 11th September we finally start our this startup through Graphicera University by Professor H.N. Nagaraja sir. So thankful, we are very thankful to H.N. Nagaraja sir and Vishal sir that every step विशाल सर ने हमको काफी गाइड किया है कि आपको किस तरीके से जाना है, आपको कैसे मूव करना है. अगर हम कहीं पे लैकिंग होते थे तो उन्होंने हमको कैसे मोटिवेट किया है, कैसे उन्होंने पुट फॉरवर्ड किया है. तो गाइस, जब भी कोई स्टार्टअप करना है तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल होता है कि हमें मेंटर की बहुत ज़रूरत होती है और एक प्रॉपर गाइडेंस की बहुत ज़रूरत होती है. बिकॉज अपने माइंड में जब हम कोई चीज़ सोचते हैं तो हम अपने माइंड के बादशाह होते हैं, बट जो सामने हमारा जो हायर एक्सपीरियंस पर्सन है वही हमको लेट यू नो कर पाता है कि हम अपने वर्क में कैसे बेटर हो रहे हैं या नहीं हो रहे हैं. तो विशाल सर ने वहाँ पर काफ़ी रोल प्ले किया है ड्यूरिंग द लॉकडाउन बिफोर सितंबर. विशाल सर ने हमारे साथ काफ़ी वर्चुअल मीटिंग्स अटेंड करी हैं, जिन्होंने हमारे माइंड में एक नए क्वेश्चंस अरेंज करे, एक नए क्वेश्चंस रेज करे और जिनके आंसर्स हमने ढूंढे. एंड फाइनली ऑन 11th September हमने अपना प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च किया है, विच इज़ द न्यूट्री बूस्ट. बेसिकली जो हमारा प्रोडक्ट है ये न्यूट्रिशनल डाइट प्रोवाइड कराता है. इट इज फुल्ली लोडेड विद अ लॉट ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स एंड द proteins especially, as none other of the cookies provided till now, as we are providing in one packet. And the second point is, if you got some number of cookies, like 8 to 10 cookies at a time, so you don't have a requirement to take any kind of other extra meal during your go. Like जैसे हमारे जो आर्मी सोल्जर्स होते हैं, वो ट्रैवल करते हैं फॉर अ लॉन्ग ऑफ डेज, तो उनको एक प्रॉपर न्यूट्रिशनल डाइट की जरूरत होती है जिसमें एक ऑप्टिमल न्यूट्रिशन प्रेजेंट हो. तो फॉर दोज पीपल्स दिस प्रोडक्ट इज वेरी बेनिफिशियल. कुछ पर्सन्स होते हैं जो फुली वेजिटेरियन होते हैं, जिनको ट्रैवल करना पड़ता है लॉन्ग टाइम तक और वो बाहर का फूड प्रीफर नहीं कर पाते हैं, उनके लिए बेनिफिशियल है. सेकेंडली एंड लास्टली, बेसिकली जो ये हमारा आइडिया था इस तरह का प्रोडक्ट जनरेट करना, हाउ दीज कुकीज आर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द अदर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, जो हमारी कुकीज है, देयर इज नो शुगर, there is no stabilizer, all the sweetening agent is honey in it, and the stabilizer is made by maintaining the ratio of the ingredients used in it, like soya chunk, soya bean, and there are many other lots. सो बेसिकली जो मैं और मेरा फ्रेंड था, जब हम कॉलेज में आए एट द लास्ट ऑफ फर्स्ट ईयर, मतलब फर्स्ट ईयर के लास्ट तक हमने मतलब काफ़ी स्ट्रगल किया कि हम क्या वर्क साइड में कर सकते हैं, किस तरह का वर्क हम जनरेट कर सकते हैं. बट हमने कुछ वर्क स्टार्ट भी किए, कुछ हमने किया भी वर्क, बट हमें वो आउटपुट नहीं मिला. वो कहीं ना कहीं हमारे लिए एक आप कह सकते हो कि टाइम वेस्ट हमको लगा. मैंने जो मेरा फ्रेंड है हर्षवर्धन सिंह, हमने डिसाइड किया कि हम अपनी जो प्लान है, बेसिकली होता है कि हम प्लानिंग तो कर लेते हैं बट उस प्लान को इनिशिएट नहीं कर पाते. तो प्लानिंग करना अच्छी बात है, बट प्लानिंग को आप इनिशिएट कैसे कर पा रहे हो, वो सबसे बड़ा टास्क है और सबसे बड़ा टारगेट है. देखो, रिस्क हर कोई ले लेता है, रिस्क ले लिया तो अच्छा भी हो सकता है, बुरा भी हो सकता है, बट आपने अगर एक कैलकुलेटेड रिस्क लिया है तो इट शुड बी अ कैलकुलेटेड, देयर शुड बी अ प्रॉपर कैलकुलेशन. तो वहां पर आपके लॉस होने के, आपके फेल होने के चांसेस बहुत डिक्रीज्ड हो जाते हैं. तो बेसिकली अगर आप करते हैं तो पहले आपके पास एक प्लान बनाने से पहले उस प्लान को जनरेट करना आना चाहिए, एंड एक आपके पास कैलकुलेटेड रिस्क होना चाहिए. तो वही हमने किया है, एंड सब कुछ फॉरवर्ड. उसके बाद वी शुड कम एट दिस पॉइंट दैट वी शुड मेक दिस काइंड ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स, और हम अपने प्रोडक्ट्स को अदर मार्केटेड जो प्रोडक्ट हैं ऑलरेडी, उनसे कैसे डिफरेंशिएट कर सकते हैं. ये जो अदर कंपनीज हैं इन द फ्यूचर, जो हमने विजन क्रिएट किया है, हम उनको कैसे रीच फॉरवर्ड कर.
अखिल, अभी आप ये इसको सेल कर रहे हो ऑनलाइन?
Yes, sir. Right now we are selling. At the starting, in college itself, we sold around 300 packets with a stall, 3 to 4 stalls. Because after that we have our exams, and after that हमने क्या किया है सर, हमने अपने बेसिकली जैसे हमारा ग्रेजुएशन अभी कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है, राइट नाउ आई एम इन 4th ईयर. सो हमारा प्लान यही था कि हम अपने वर्क को कैसे इनिशिएट कर सकते हैं कि हमारा जो रोल है उसमें, हमारा एक की रोल उसमें रहे, और जो हमारा वर्क है वो एक ऑटो पायलट मोड पे हो. तो हमने भी क्या किया है कि जो हमारा प्रोडक्ट है वो एक ऑटो पायलट मोड पे है. हमने अपना प्रोडक्ट अपना लॉन्च किया है, उसके बाद हमने मार्केट गेन किया है. अब वो प्रोडक्ट मार्केट में गो थ्रू हो रहा है.
ये बहुत अच्छे तरीका है अखिल. So in that particular case, that is actually a nice way, because it is not that it should be binding in that particular. One more thing which you have said very correctly, I'm just rushing in that particular case, don't mind me. I just wanted to emphasize, I don't want to miss that point. अखिल ने एक बात बोली कि सिर्फ आइडिया सोचने से काम नहीं होगा, एग्जीक्यूशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. So my dear friend, everyone who is there in this group, okay, you have to understand, $1 million idea comes to everyone's mind, okay. The one who make $1 million is only one who actually work for that particular thing. So all of you, one inspiration which you have to take from all these guys is actually they have put forward into their thought and work towards achieving that particular thing. And life is not easy for any one of them, okay. The struggle comes in that particular case, but the whole learning which you are having, that if you are meant for this particular thing, okay, you have to put the effort in that particular case. So
right now,
yeah,
sir, right now we have our turnover around 1.5 to 2 lakhs till now, and our new packaging and new production is stopped now as the situation is going to critical. So within a month, as soon as the situation is going to be better, so we are going to launch some more varieties in our product with some new enthusiastic packaging and the new passion.
Sir, best wishes.
I just explained 2 points which is very beneficial to others. Just give me a second, sir.
You want to share something, Akhil?
Actually, sir, I have my key points only.
Okay, say.
Yeah, sir. Yes, sir. बेसिकली आज के टाइम पे सर जैसे अभी हमने स्टार्ट किया है तो कुछ स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो हमारे जूनियर्स हैं, जो माय डियर कलीग्स हैं, तो वो हमसे रीच करते हैं कि हम आइडियाज कैसे फॉर्म कर सकते हैं, कैसे स्टार्टअप हम, तो उनके लिए मैं जस्ट 2 और 3 पॉइंट्स मेरे पास हैं जो मैंने काफी फाइंड किए हैं। बेसिकली हर कोई पूछता है कि हम स्टार्टअप कैसे कर सकते हैं, आप हमें कुछ सजेस्ट कीजिए। मीन्स वो एक नोट पैड पे हमसे मांगते हैं कि आप हमें एक ब्लूप्रिंट प्रोवाइड कराइए जिससे वर्क कर सके, बट इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल सर कि हम उनको किसी भी तरह का कोई ब्लूप्रिंट प्रोवाइड करा सके। इंस्टेड अगर वो एक ब्लूप्रिंट फाइंड कर रहे हैं तो ब्लूप्रिंट क्या होता है, जो स्टार्टअप कर चुका होता है, जो एक एंटरप्रेन्योर बन चुका होता है, वो अपने पास्ट का एक्सपीरियंस आपको प्रोवाइड करा सकता है।
Yes, yes.
बट of that blueprint आपको अपना mindset set करना होगा, because if you are set your mindset so you should be entrepreneurship. Second thing is one more thing sir. Yes sir. सर प्लानिंग आइडियाज, एक जो मैंने आपको बोला कि वो हमसे आइडियाज की एक एक्सपेक्टेशन करते हैं, तो अगर उनके पास 50 और 100 आइडियाज आ रहे हैं, उनके माइंड में है, वो उसको इनिशिएट करना चाहते हैं, बट उससे बड़ा इजिली वो उसको इनिशिएट कर सकते हैं, बट उससे पहले जो सबसे बड़ा टास्क उनके पास है, आइडिया रिजेक्शन, इट शुड बी मस्ट। if they are eligible to get rejected the idea, if they get from anybody else, any professor, any entrepreneur, any family member, any colleague, any friend, if they are able to reject that idea and to accept the best idea, so they should be an entrepreneur.
Very
So
nice,
the
very nice. Well said.
points-
And Akhil, I expect this from you because all of you, I would like to mention, Akhil was also the president of Biopreneurs Club, which was the entrepreneurial club in the Department of Biotechnology. So he has been very instrumental in finding people like himself and bringing them to us, to TBI, who are actually looking for developing that idea. So what you are speaking comes out of their experience. I can see that particular thing. Thanks a lot, Akhil. Okay, best wishes to you.
Thank you,
Nagaraj sir is also very
All the-
happy with the
all the
development
best,
of the-
Akhil. All the
Thank-
best. Any help from Graphic Era? Okay, we are always there. All the best. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank
Oh,
Thanks
okay.
a lot, sir. Moving
Okay.
on in that particular case, Surmit. Surmit is with us.
Hi, sir.
Hi, Surmit. How are you?
Good, sir. Hello,
Again,
everyone.
Surmit is one of our, prodigy child from our university, right now working in the field of 3D printing and 3D prototyping. Mechanical student, I believe. Which year, Surmit?
Yes, sir. Last year, 4th.
So why don't you actually share your experience and what you are actually now planning to do with
Surely,
the
sir.
colleagues so they can understand it in a better way? Go
Yes,
ahead.
sir.
You're part of some AVK education, right?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
Sir, please allow me to share some.
Okay, sure.
Yeah. All the best, Sumit.
Thank you, sir.
Surmit and Bhaskar is also there. Is he also with you?
So I think he
Doesn't matter. Please go ahead. Thanks for keeping it short and crisp. I
Yes,
prefer
sir.
that. Yeah. Go ahead.
the screen. में-
Yes, it is visible. Go ahead.
तो हाय गाइस, शायद आपने लगभग सभी ने सुना होगा कि 3D प्रिंटिंग होता क्या है और ये आजकल कुछ ज़्यादा ही पॉपुलर होता जा रहा है। तो मैं एक एविक एजुकेशन कंपनी है जिसके अंडर काम करता हूँ, तो हम एक सॉल्यूशन प्रोवाइड करते हैं जो है 3D प्रिंटिंग। हम 3D मॉडलिंग, 3D प्रिंटिंग, प्रोटोटाइपिंग, वर्कशॉप, प्री प्रोसेसिंग, पोस्ट प्रोसेसिंग सब प्रोवाइड करते हैं। एक्चुअली ये होता क्या है, अब आपने कोई प्रोडक्ट का आइडिया सोचा, अब आपको उसको फिजिकली अचीव करना है, आप उसका शायद 3D मॉडल भी बना लोगे, आप शायद ऑनलाइन जितनी भी स्केचेस होते हैं वो बना लोगे, बट आप उसको फिजिकली कैसे लाओगे? या तो आपके पास एक ऑप्शन है, किसी इंडस्ट्रियल फैक्ट्रीज में जाओ, वहाँ पे उनको पूछो कि आप CNC मशीन से मेरे को ये मॉडल बना के दोगे, बट वो बहुत एक्सपेंसिव होता है, शायद आप अफोर्ड भी ना कर पाओ अपनी इनिशियल स्टेज पे। तो हम क्या करते हैं, हम 3D प्रिंटर्स को यूज़ करते हैं उन 3D मॉडल्स को चीप वे में प्रिंट करने के लिए। लाइक दिस, अभी ये एक मॉडल है जो मेरे पास फिजिकली प्रेजेंट है, तो ये एक प्लास्टिक मटेरियल से बना है। ऐसे ही हमारे पास 3D मॉडलिंग में अलग अलग बहुत सारे मटेरियल्स होते हैं, अराउंड 27। अब आप अपनी नीड है, किसी को फ्लेक्सिबल चाहिए, किसी को रिजिड मटेरियल चाहिए, तो आप कोई भी मटेरियल यूज़ कर सकते हो। हमारे पास मटेरियल की अवेलेबिलिटी बहुत है, बट इसका आप वो देखोगे स्कोप, लाइक आप इंडस्ट्री जाने से एक तरीके से बच गए। आपने मॉडल क्रिएट किया, ठीक है, आप उसके बाद चाहते हो कि मेरे को ये मॉडल मिले बट मैं इंडस्ट्री ना जाऊँ क्योंकि मेरे को बहुत एक्सपेंसिव पड़ रहा है। देन we can help you. We can print your model.
ಅದು ಬುದ್ಧಿಮ್ ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು.
Go ahead. Surmit, we can't hear you. Surmit, we can't hear you.
Hello.
Now it is better. Go ahead.
Okay, sir. 3D प्रिंटिंग यूज करने का एक रीजन और है कि जो इम्पॉसिबल ज्योमेट्रीज होती हैं, लाइक कुछ आपने शायद देखी होंगी, वो एक नॉर्मल सीएनसी मशीन पे या फिर कोई भी जो मटेरियल रिमूविंग मशीन होती है उस पर अचीव नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि उनकी लाइक पोजीशनिंग या फिर उनकी जो बैक एंड पे मेथड होते हैं वो इतने नहीं होते कि आप उन ज्योमेट्रीज को क्रिएट कर सके। तो लाइक जैसे ये ज्योमेट्री आप देख रहे हो स्क्रीन पे, ये कोई भी मशीन नहीं बना सकती अदर देन 3D प्रिंटर, बिकॉज दे आर इन सच इम्पॉसिबल ज्योमेट्रीज, लाइक वेरी टिपिकल ज्योमेट्रीज। तो ये आप सब 3D प्रिंटर पे बना सकते हो। लास्ट आप सब विशाल सर को जानते होंगे, वो खुद भी एक 3D प्रिंटिंग इंडस्ट्री में काफी अच्छे नोन पर्सन है, तो उनके तरफ से जो हमें सपोर्ट मिला सर वो बहुत था। थैंक यू फॉर दैट एंड थैंक यू वीसी सर फॉर एडिंग एन TBI.
Okay,
Thanks,
all
Sumit.
the best. All the best. All the best, Smith.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. We are always, in debt with the people like you. You are the new workforce and the energy which we wanted to promote and make a future bright in that particular case. So thanks for being the flag holder. Okay. With that particular thing, I am coming at the end of the session. Okay. The last speaker is there in that particular case. Sumit, are you there?
Yes, sir.
No, Sumit, not Sumit. Sumit from Lazy Coder. Okay, again another team in that particular case. I think they are not here in that particular case. So moving forward, guys, I'm almost at the end of the conclusion. You have heard around 9 of them. Okay, as we are speaking that particular thing. This is our way of celebrating the National Entrepreneurs and National Startup Day, which is on 16th of January. Okay, we are aiming to have more and more people like these guys, and who are actually making our job creators pool bigger than the job seekers. Graphicera has always been one of the top institution in giving the highest paying jobs. Now we are going to claim another flagship where we are saying that we are a university who are making the best entrepreneurs from the Uttarakhand who is going and capturing the national market. So Nagaraj sir, I would just like you to have a closing
Yes,
remarks so that we can
it's indeed my proud privilege to interact with the students in virtual mode. Friends, in fact, 16 January has been initiated and started as a National Startup Day this year only. So Honorable Prime Minister has started, and it's going to continue every year. But at the same time, even at the national level, today's paper it is there. Yesterday, 44 startups have entered into the Indian market, we can say. It has added up, and it's going to be century. That's what Prime Minister is expecting. Shortly, we are going to have 100 startups, which are new startups, in fact. So like that here also today, in today's virtual meeting, there were 100 participants. I wish and pray Almighty that from next year onwards, our TBI will have 100 startups. So through new students venture. So because even in today's presentation, third semester students have presented. So when third semester students are capable of presenting, even first year students also. So what I wish is now today's 100 participants will convert it into 100 startups, and with the help of Vishal and friends, for your kind information, one more new person to the TBI has joined. That is Director Pramod Prabhudev has joined as a director, and along with Vishal, both of them will be working. Now our TBI Graphicera is going to be further developed, further improved, and more students, senior students like Manas, Abhijit, and other Saurya, other people who all are there. So they were there under their guidance, under their suggestions. So our TBI will form a new committee, and definitely we will take the feedback from industrialists, parents, all the stakeholders, and with the help of our Honorable President Kamal Ganshala ji. So the TBI will have different direction in future, and we hope and wish that all of you will participate actively and make use of the benefits of Graphicera and bring laurel to the university as well as to TBI, utilizing all the facilities provided. Wish you all the best. Once again,
Thanks.
happy National Startups Day. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, sir. We have Mr. Pramod Prabhu. Mr. Pramod, if you would like to join and share your experiences, this is your first interaction with the students in that particular case. Sir has already introduced you. Please, the stage is all yours.
Absolutely amazing experience. I must say this has been a jaw-dropping experience for me. To start with, I would like to thank the Graphic Era University for making such a robust platform available. And I can see that, the energy with which the TBI has been driven by Mr. Vishal is absolutely exemplary. Well, I was a witness for almost 9 to 10 startup ideas that have come about. And, I can't wait to explore possibilities of, I would say, driving these ideas, with more accelerated efforts and making sure they reach the fruition. Well, there are a lot of things that I would love to talk about, but having said so, since we are hard pressed for time, the only thing that I would like to reinforce is an entrepreneur is no less than an adventurer. And adventure is something which is, deeply embedded within me. In my past, the last 10 years, I have endeavored to ensure that every youngster in the age group of 15 to 25 is driven by passion. Majority of the times, in the process of getting a graduation, in the process of earning the right employable opportunity, one forgets what are their strengths. One also forgets what is their passion. So right now, the fact that so many of you have dared to dream big and, are also daring to fail, like how Mr. Vishal said, yeah, that kind of sticks out, fail quick and be reborn again with a new idea. So if you know something is not working, be daring enough to move on. Well, there are, a few things that came up to my mind on the spur was the fact that an entrepreneur always has, certain possible fears. There was one student who actually went ahead and mentioned, "Kuch nahi ban paya, isliye entrepreneur ban gaya." I want to change this mindset.
No, we don't have that.
Well,
He was saying other thing, Mr. Prabhu. I'm just saying that he said that he has